Hi guys, this is Onyi and you're welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. In this video, you already know what to be talking about now. Yes, from the title of this video, you already know what to be talking about. Romantic sweet names, that cute names, lovely names for men. This video is long overdue. Men may think that I've forgotten them, but no. I didn't forget you guys. Yes, I've done romantic sweet names for ladies. You can go ahead and watch it. The link will be in the description box, okay? Guys, I got your back. I got you. So this video is basically for you. So share this video to your woman, to your wife, to your girlfriend, to that lady you want her to call you names that will torture your body. And my gender, learn these names, okay? So that you will call him and, on your gear. He will bring out things, he'll bring out stuffs for you. Okay, so let's begin. Before that, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that, and turn on your post notification bell so that you will not miss any of our updates. Okay, so let's begin. Kanibido. The first name here is Wokoma. Wokoma. Wokoma means good man. Wokoma. So if you have a good man at home, be proud to call him Wokoma. Ezigbo nwoke. Ezigbo nwoke also means good man. Yes, they are the same thing. Wokoma, ezigbo nwoke. Alright? If you have a good man, it's not easy to have a good man. It's not easy to be a good man. So praise him. Call him this name. Wokoma. Respect him. Be loyal, because they love to be appreciated. Let him know that he's a good man. He's doing well. So he will continue to be a good man for you. All right? Nwokama, ezigbo nwoke. So it means good man. The next one here is nwoke ji obim. Nwoke ji obim. Nwoke ji obim means the man that holds my heart. Nwoke ji obim. Obim is my heart. Obim, my heart. So you can equally call him Obim, right? So nwoke ji obim, the man that holds my heart. You know that he alone holds your heart. He alone owns your heart. You don't want to share. You are not sharing your heart with any other person. He alone holds it. He alone owns it. So that's why you have to call him, hey, nwoke ji obim. Nwokoma, ezigbo nwoke. So call him these names, okay? Nwoke ka ibia. Nwoke ka ibia. Nwoke ka ibia. So nwoke ka ibia means a man that is greater than his counterpart, a man that is greater than every other man. In the midst of his fellow men, he stands out. He's greater than every other man. So nwoke ka ibia. Nwoke ka ibia. The next one is nwoke nji eme ọnụ. Nwoke nji eme ọnụ. A man that I can brag with, or a man that I brag with. A man that I brag with. Nwoke nji eme ọnụ. Wherever you are, you talk about your man. Wherever you are going, in anything you are doing, wherever in a gathering with friends, with family, you always talk about your man. Because Obu Nwokoma, he's a good man. That is why you're always talking about him. Nwoke nji eme ọnụ, a man that I brag with. So try to be a good man so that you will deserve the name Nwokoma. Nwoke nji eme ọnụ, ezigbo nwoke, ezigbo dim. Dim means my husband. So my good husband. Dimoma, my good husband, right? So nwoke ka ibia. Nwoke ka ibia, a man that is greater than his counterpart. Next one is nwoke dịka achọ. Hey! Nwoke dịka achọ, a man that is the way every other woman wants. Nwoke dịka achọ, a man that is the way every other person wants. Of course, it's women now. Yes. Who doesn't want a good thing? Who doesn't want a lovely romantic man? Me, I want it though. I want a very sweet man, a good man. So nwoke dịka achọ. And I'm sure you want it as well. So you want a man that will take care of you. So nwoke dịka achọ. So if your man is taking care of you, he's actually the way every other woman wants. Nwoke dịka achọ. So you can call him this name. That's if he's really doing well, if he's doing good, right? If he's a nwoke ọma, if he's ezigbo nwoke. So that is why you call him, hey, nwoke dịka achọ. Nwoke dịka achọ. A man that is the way every other person wants. The next one is, this one is quite funny, but yes. Nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m. Nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m. Nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m. A man that knows where he scratches me. If it scratches me here, he knows it. If he scratches me there, he knows. So you alone know where he scratches, and he also know where he scratches you. So nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m. Do you get? So when you call him, nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m. Nwoke ji obi m. Nwoke dịka achọ. He will just be smiling. Just praise him. You know, men love to be praised, right? So when you praise him with these names, gosh, his head will be big. Trust me, he's going to bring out everything he have. He's going to give you, in fact, he's going to give you his bag. So call him nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m. A man that knows where it scratches me. Do you get? Nwoke dị ụsọ. Gosh. Nwoke dị ụsọ. Some people say nwoke dị ụtọ. So ụtọ, ụsọ, they are the same thing. A man that is sweet. Do you get? A man that is sweet. Nwoke dị ụtọ. Nwoke dị ụsọ. Nwoke dị ụsọ. A man that is sweet. Or you can simply call ụsọ nwoke. Ụsọ nwoke. Ụsọ nwoke means sweet man. Ụsọ nwoke. Nna ịdị ụsọ. Nna ịdị ụsọ. Daddy, you are sweet. So nna means daddy. Do you get? Of course, nna, N-N-A, nna is father. But now, in this case, you're not calling him father. He's not your father. He's your man. Like nna, daddy. Do you get? So when you stretch it, nna, you are calling him daddy. Nna ịdị ụsọ. Nwoke dị ụsọ. Nna ịdị ụsọ. You know, daddy, you are sweet. Ụsọ nwoke, sweet man. Ụsọ dim, my sweet husband. Do you get? Ụsọ dim, my sweet husband. The next one is ụsọ obim. Ụsọ obim. So you can say ụsọ obim. You can say ụtọ. Just that S and T. Ụsọ, ụtọ. They mean the same thing. Ụsọ nwoke, ụsọ obim, ụsọ dim. So ụsọ obim means my sweetheart. Ụsọ obim or ụtọ obim, my sweetheart. Ụtọ obim. Obim, my heart. Obim, my heart. Obim, my heart. So when you call your man, obim, nwoke dị ụtọ. Nwoke dịka achọ. Nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m. Chai! You know? So just call him these names. I mean, he's going to give you everything he has. So the next one is odogwu nwoke. Odogwu nwoke. Odogwu nwoke means a hero, a great man, a man of timber and caliber, a man of charisma, you know, a man of prowess. That man that have done something great, something very special. That is when you call him odogwu nwoke. Odogwum, my hero. Odogwum, my hero. Odogwum, odogwu nwoke, great man. Odogwu obim. Odogwu obim, the hero of my heart. You know, obim is my heart, right? So you can say something and then attach that obim, and then it will mean something, you know, different. Like it means that you are attaching your heart to it. Do you get? So odogwu obim, Odogwu Bim, the hero of my heart, or my heart hero. You get? So Odogwu Nwoke. Hi! Odogwu Nwoke. Odogwu Nwoke. Chai! Nwoke Jiobimo. You know, when you call him these names, he will just be smiling, he will just be laughing, he will just be happy. Trust me, when you praise a man, when you appreciate a good man, he will do more. You will be happy for the rest of your life. Believe me. So try to be a good man so that your woman can call you these names. So you will deserve it, okay? If you're not a good man, you don't deserve these names. So when your man is Odogwu Nwoke, right? When your husband is Odogwu Nwoke, it automatically means that you are Unye Odogwu. That is Odogwu's wife. Odogwu's wife. Unye Odogwu. Unye Odogwu. Odogwu's wife. I mean, who doesn't want Odogwu in her life? Me, I want Odogwu. Even though I know I'm not married yet, but I know my husband will be Odogwu. Odogwu Nwoke. The next one is Odimnobi. Odimnobi, the one in my heart. Odimnobi, the one in my heart. Nkem, Nkem, my own. Nkem, my own. Nkem, my own. So if you want to attach the obi there, you can now say Obi Nkem, my own heart. Obi Nkem, my own heart. So Nkem, my own, like you don't share, is your own. You don't share with anybody. You don't even want to share. It's just your own. You get? The next one is Ikem. Ikem, my strength. Ikem, my strength. When your man is always there for you, when you are weak, you're down, vice versa, he's always there to give you strength. Then it means that he's your Ikem. He's your strength. Ikem, your strength. Ezem, Ezem, my king. Ezem, my king. Of course, your man, your husband is your king. Ezem. Ezobim, Ezobim, the king of my heart. Ezobim, the king of my heart. Eze Obim. The next one here is Dike. Hi! Dike, Dike. Dike, Dike. Courageous man, strong man, prominent man. That is Dike. Dike. When he comes in, his presence is always noticed. Do you get? So, Dike, Dike, a great man, a prominent man, a special man. That is Dike. Agunwoke, Agunwoke, a brave man. And this goes hand in hand with Odogwunwoke. Agunwoke, Odogwunwoke, great man. Agunwoke. He has done something very special. Something, that's ordinarily nobody can do. Like, it's so hard to see a man that can do something like that. So that's why you are calling him Agunwoke. Ijele. Ijele Nwoke. Ijele Nwoke. Ijele Nwoke means a special, unique man. Very special. Or you can just call him Ijele. Ijele. Or Ijele Nwoke. So when you attach the Nwoke, it means man. Nwoke is a male gender in Igbo land, alright? So Ijele Nwoke or Ijele. Let me tell you a brief history about this Ijele. Ijele is a masquerade, a great masquerade in Igbo land, right? And it comes out during festive period. It doesn't come out all the time. So when it comes out, it means that, it's a very special occasion. So when you call your man Ijele, it means that he's uniquely special. Very, very, very special. Because Ijele as a masquerade in Igbo land comes out on a very special occasion. Not just anyhow occasion. Very, very special one before it comes out. Right? So the next one is nwa. Nwa. Nwa means baby. Of course, I know some persons that do call their wife or their husbands nwa. Nwa is baby. Nwa or nwam, you know, nwam, my baby. Nwa, baby. Ifunanyam. Ifunanyam, my love. Ifunanyam, my love. Or ihunanyam. Some people say ihunanyam. Some people say ifunanyam. It simply means my love. Ifunanyam, my love. Ifunanya obim. Ifunanya obim, the love of my heart. Or ifunanya ndum. Ifunanya ndum, the love of my life. Right? Ifunanya ndum, the love of my life. Ekweme. Ekweme, talk and do man. Ekweme nwoke. You know, when he says something, that is the way it will be. He's going to do whatever he says. He promised and then fulfill whatever he promised. Ekweme, talk and do man. Ekweme, chai, ekweme. So I'm going to end with this. Omalecha nwoke. Omalecha nwoke, fine man. Omalecha dim, fine husband. So when your man dresses finish and then, you know, he looks so beautiful, so sweet, so fine, so handsome, please call him this name. Hey, Omalecha nwoke. Trust me, he's going to dash you something. Of course, I love fine guys, so that is why when they dresses well, just call him Omalecha nwoke. Ha! Omalecha. Omalecha. So Omalecha means, you know, beautiful, something that is fine, you know. So when you call him Omalecha dim, you know, very fine man, or maybe he has done something very fine, very sweet to you. Maybe he's not properly or he's not dressed, you know. You just want to praise him, you just want to call him this fine name. You can just say, ah, Omalecha nwoke. Omalecha nwoke. Odogum. Odogu jiobim. You know, the hero that holds my heart. Odogu jiobim. Ifunanya ndum. Otodim. Osom, my sweetness. Osom, my sweetness. Nwoke ọma. Nwoke jiobim. Nwoke nji eko. Nwoke nji a eme ọnụ. Ha! Nwoke dị ụtọ. Nwoke ma ebe ọ na-akọ m chai, nwoke nji eme ọnụ, nwoke dịka achọ. So, you know, my gender, let me tell you one secret about these big babies. Big babies are the men. Yes, they love to be pampered as much as we want to be pampered. All right, so when you call him these names, when you learn these names and call him, trust me, he's going to do anything you ask him to do. They love to be praised. They love to be appreciated. They love to be loved. Do you get? So don't think that you are the only one that needs all these praises. They also need it as well. So call him these names, learn it, always come back to replay it, always come back to practice it, learn it, and share it as well, so that you get used to pronouncing these names. All right, so that whenever you want to praise him, you can just call him these names. He came, you know, your strength. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to join the family if you haven't subscribed, okay? And a special thank you to those that have subscribed. Thank you so much. God bless you. This shows that I'm doing well and I should keep doing what I'm doing. Thanks for your support and your encouragement. And don't forget to support me by sharing this video as well, because someone out there might need this video, okay? Thank you. And remember to watch Romantic Sweet Names for Women in Igbo language. Come siano. Goodbye.